This is one of the best things that you can learn for your future. This is your chance to level up, to learn something that's gonna significantly improve your life, and that's vibe coding. Vibe coding simply means creating websites and apps by using AI, artificial intelligence. You imagine it, you describe it in simple terms, and then you get it. The platform creates all the code automatically, so you don't have to learn Python, JavaScript, or anything else. We are gonna use Cursor, which is one of the best vibe coding platforms out there. Cursor is like having a team of senior developers with all the knowledge in the world at your fingertips 24/7. No time off, ready to build whatever you want. And all of this at a fairly affordable subscription. You don't need any previous experience or know how to code. This course is beginner friendly and we're gonna take it step by step. In the past, creating any type of website or app meant thousands, maybe tens of thousands of dollars, weeks and months of development, and a whole team of people. Now it's all inside one platform. Vibe coding is the best shot for most people to create a solid, reliable income. You can use vibe coding to get a better job, to freelance, or to start a business. And I repeat, without being technical, without knowing how to write code. This is the future right now. In this course, we're gonna make a website from scratch and we're gonna launch it on our own domain step by step with the help of AI. This is not gonna be easy though. I'm not gonna promise you the world. It is gonna be frustrating at times, and that's because it's so early. But being early is where your main advantage is. Imagine investing in Apple 20 years ago, or buying Bitcoin when it first got started. Sure, there's gonna be uncertainty, issues, bugs, but don't wait until it gets mainstream. This is your shot right now. In this course, I'm gonna explain what you need to know to get started and launch your first website in no time at all. I'm gonna teach you in plain English what everything means: AI, LLMs, models, MCPs, all of that. I'm a designer, and if you've ever watched my design courses, you know that I focus on getting results fast without any boring theory. I'm not gonna fill your head with tons of complicated terms and concepts, no. Instead, I focus on examples and fun exercises. Invest in your future. Get started today. Don't wait. Right now is where you have the biggest advantage.